If you would like to see how I took these plain Patron bottles and transformed them into these lovely, miniature, beautiful, glamorous bottles, keep watching. So today I am going to be doing some type of embellishments to these 3 tequila Patron bottles. These are some cute little small shorty bottles. I'm assuming that they're all different flavors. I think one says añejo, Resposado, and silver. I'm not a drinker, so I'm not exactly sure what that means. I guess they're just some different flavors. So I'm kind of gonna go in the theme of the color that I see on top of here. I have that color and I have this lime green, but I don't have the orange. So I'm gonna improvise a little bit. I'm gonna wipe these off with some alcohol. I'm gonna add some embellishments to them. These are gonna be I think a 21st birthday gift for one of my sister-in-law's co-workers. So she wanted me to do something special to these glasses, well, to these bottles. So I'm just going to wipe them off with a little bit of alcohol like I always do before I add embellishments. And we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it and get started. If you want to know what type of glue I'm going to be using, this is what it's called. It's called Liquid Fusion. I purchased mine off Amazon and it was about between $8 to $10. And this is a 4-ounce bottle. I have a precision tip glue bottle that I purchased off Amazon as well. You can get about 12 of these for $7. I love this. It comes in handy. You have some type of tool to pick up your rhinestones with. This just has a wax tip on it. And then this has like a little tip, but I always use the wax side. This is about $8 on Amazon. Eventually I'll have some of these available for sale. Eventually I will. And then I just always use an old Similac lid to put my rhinestones in. I'm going to be using some, let's start with the lime green rhinestones. Dropped off to me, so if you want to know how much it costs, you may have to look it up online or go to your local liquor store or whatever store you have. So I'm just going to start with adding just a couple little drops or a little squeeze of glue. And that's why I like this, because you see this little pointy tip here? You don't have to have a whole bunch of glue just squirting out everywhere. So I like to just start with a little bit of glue, put my top back on, keep it upside down, sitting in like a little small jar or something. Because if not, all the glue will run to the bottom and you got to keep waiting for it to come back up. I'm going to show you how I lay the first few rhinestones on. So I'm just going to outline this just like that. So I'm not even sure if you could tell that it's, let's see, can you tell? I feel like you can't tell that it's lime green because it's kind of transparent a little bit. That's why when I do my little wine glasses, I paint them first just so it could be a nice, fuller, bolder look. But I think that's still cute. I'm not going to paint these bottles. I just don't feel like it's necessary. Some projects I will paint the glass or the surface first. But I'm just not going to do that with these. For one, because I have all this going on right here. And I think me just adding the stones and just getting a hint of this color hitting off of that is enough. But you can feel free to do this however you like to. This is just to give you some type of inspiration or ideas that you can do for a birthday gift, Christmas gift, whatever it is you decide. That's my start. Now I'm going to go ahead and just speed this up and then go ahead and knock this bottle out. Right here and it's like a bold lettering in the glass and it's not flat right there. So I'm just gonna leave that part alone. So I have my areas outlined and I'm just gonna fill that in until we're finished. And I think this holographic AB lime green looks very pretty. It's transparent, but it's very pretty. Okay, so this is like 98% finished. I closed it up in the back. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it in the front. I don't with the label or anything right here. So I'm gonna leave that as is. I'm just gonna kind of go around it and just put a couple stones right here in the front. So I'm just gonna kind of lay it there the best way I can. Hopefully it stays on because it's not flat. The bottle is like at an angle right there. Not sure if you can see that or not, but it's at a weird angle. So I'm just hoping that once the glue dries that it just locks it there, because I don't want to have anything falling off. And I think I could fit one more right there. Yeah, that does look better. All right, so this is the first bottle. It's very pretty, very sparkly. Now we're gonna move on to the next bottle. Use this color rhinestones to kind of match this top right here. These are called, these are jelly rhinestones, 5mm, and this is sun yellow. So it's like a dark yellow. So again, I already put my glue on here. I'm just gonna trace this area here. Just like so. Same process, just a different bottle. So just follow along with me. Okay, with the dark yellow rhinestones, jelly AB rhinestones, this is where I am so far. It's coming along. So I'm just going to continue. So after this one is finished, I'll go ahead and work on the third bottle. And then I'll show you how the first bottle looks. So I'm just going to add some glue. And just take my time. I'm using all the same size, so I'll just space them out accordingly. If I come to a space that I feel like I can't fit as many as I thought I could, I just go back and space them out. So it's not going to be a lot of space, but you just want to make sure everything is nice and tight and neat and straight as you can get it. Just like that. So just continue to watch how I apply I'm going to start on the third bottle. I'll reveal all three at the end of the video. The last one I finished was the yellow rhinestones. Now I'm going to just use some clear iridescent 5mm. Added my glue. I'm getting closer and closer to the top, so this bottle is almost finished. I just want to show you how I'm just adding the stones to try to kind of close this up as tight as I can here. Okay, let's see here. So I just kind of bent this paper up just a little bit because I don't want to tamper with the seal underneath that. I don't know if you can see that or not. See, I'm right underneath that. And then I'll just kind of tuck it back down. I bent the paper up to try to get a little glue under there, add a couple stones under there. And you just bend it back down. Uh-oh. It pulled my stone up. Well, don't bend it back down until the stones are dry. Until the glue has dried. And then if you use this type of glue, this liquid fusion, if you feel like you made a mistake where you put the rhinestone, if you feel like you've made a mistake somewhere, you have some wiggle room. It doesn't just dry like cement right away and then like locked in stone. No, this isn't like that. You can still move it around. So if there's some errors or some crookedness going on, you pop that stone on there and you move it till it's in the desired area. So you just kind of keep sticking and moving. Stick and move. Grab another one. Keep going. And it doesn't take a lot of glue at all. Add a little bit here. That's as far as I'm going to go right there. So you're going to watch me put the last, I want to say 4 stones on here. 2, 3. Then I'm going to add 1 more stone. Okay. So this bottle is now complete. Again, it says Patron right here, really thick, so I left that alone right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and reveal all 3 of them to you. Okay, you guys, here is the final result of these little Patron shorty bottles, and I think they look magnificent. Super cute, so miniature, so little. Of course, these make great stocking stuffers. And all I did is I just tried my best to mimic the color of the little tape across the top with Sun Yellow AB Jelly Rhinestones. And with this one, I didn't have orange. I'll be ordering some orange rhinestones soon. But I just went ahead and used clear AB for that. And for this bottle, I tried to mimic the little lime green on the top with lime green jelly rhinestones. And I think they came out really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you received some type of inspiration to do something like this yourself, to sit on your little bar, your mantelpiece, or to give us cute little stocking stuffers or birthday gifts. And again, I did not put any rhinestones on this little portion here that is engraved in the glass that says Patron because it's not flat. And it just didn't make sense to do that. So I left that part untouched. But thank you again for watching, you guys. Happy holidays. Bye-bye. This is how they look before. And very, very pretty afterwards. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share on Facebook, or subscribe if that's what you decide that you like to do. Thanks again for watching. Happy holidays, you guys.